Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share a healthy, very nutritious gluten-free paratha. Very soft and tasty. It is a very good for kids and adults both. Also it is a very quick and good option for kids lunch or breakfast. So let's get started. If you like this video, then please do like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification. Here I am using 2 grated carrots, 1 grated zucchini, around 1 cup of chopped spring onion, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. Mix well all the ingredients. Now I am taking 2 cup of gluten-free flour. I am using here King Arthur gluten-free flour. It is easily available in the grocery market. Now mix all the ingredients very well to make the dough without adding water, because zucchini and spring onion release water by its own, so here we don't need to add water. This is how the dough looks like. Here I am using a stainless steel pan and greasing it with olive oil properly. Keep the gas flame medium to low and let the pan heated properly. Now take a small portion of dough and make a ball and spread evenly. Here I am spreading with help of a spoon. Just make sure you are not pushing very hard. We need to spread with a very light hand. Now I am putting some olive oil on top of it. Let it cook for 30 seconds and then flip it. Press very lightly to every side and then flip it. Flip it over and over until it gets cooked properly. And it is done. So here is our gluten-free paratha is ready. You can serve it with curd, chutney, tomato sauce or anything you like. This is very soft, tasty and healthy recipe. Gluten-free paratha is a good replacement for wheat rotis or the maida rotis for those who is having gut issues like digestion problem, constipation issues. This could be the good option for them. Gluten-free flour is a blend of sorghum flour, which we call Jowar ka atta in Hindi, almond flour, badam ka atta, chestnut flour, singare ka atta, which all are very nutritious and healthy. This is also very good option for weight loss. So please include this recipe in your diet or your kids' diet and enjoy. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you.